Advancements in enhancing the thermal conductivity of pristine polyolefins. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Because of their low cost, ease of processing, diverse functionality, excellent corrosion and chemical resistance, adequate tribological performance, superior thermal and environmental stability, and lightweight, polymers and their composites have received considerable attention over the last few decades. The low thermal conductivity of polymers hinders their use in applications requiring high thermal conductivity, such as electronic packaging, heat exchangers, and thermal management devices. Polyethylene and polypropylene, polyolefins, account for 55% of the global thermoplastic production. Improving the thermal conductivity of this class of thermoplastics is essential for many applications. This comprehensive review analyzes the advances in enhancing the thermal conductivity of pristine polyolefins. First, the mechanism of thermal transport in polymers and the key parameters that govern conductive heat transfer through polymers are discussed. Moreover, the progress in modeling and simulation of the thermal conductivity of polyolefins is analyzed. Furthermore, the different approaches to enhance the thermal conductivity of polyolefins by controlling their microstructure, crystallinity, and chain orientation are presented. Finally, the key challenges and prospective directions for developing thermally enhanced pristine polyolefins are outlined. The study concluded that the application of machine learning can accelerate the development of thermally enhanced polyolefins. Introduction. Polyolefins, such as polyethylene, PE, and polypropylene, PP, are widely used plastics made from simple carbon and hydrogen molecules. These materials are popular because they are inexpensive, easy to process, and have great resistance to chemicals and corrosion. They are used in a variety of industries, including medical, construction, energy, and electronics. Despite their many benefits, one challenge is their low thermal conductivity, meaning they don't transfer heat very well. This limits their use in applications that require heat management, such as heat exchangers or electronic devices. To overcome this, researchers have explored different methods to improve the heat transfer properties of these plastics. One approach involves adding conductive materials like graphene or carbon nanotubes to create composites or nanocomposites. However, this method often requires large amounts of filler material, which can increase cost and reduce the flexibility of the polymer. Another approach focuses on modifying the structure of the polymer itself to enhance its thermal conductivity. This review examines the progress made in improving the heat conductivity of pure polyethylene and polypropylene, discussing current methods, challenges, and future directions for making these materials better suited for emerging applications that require effective thermal management. Conclusion. Polyolefins like polyethylene, PE, and polypropylene, PP, are popular for their low cost and light weight, but their ability to conduct heat is limited. Research shows that stretching these materials can significantly improve their heat conductivity, making it comparable to some metals. The key factors affecting their heat transfer include the alignment of their molecular chains and how they are processed. Adding conductive materials, like nanofillers, could further enhance their thermal properties. Combining these methods, along with the use of machine learning, could lead to the creation of new, high-performance thermally enhanced polyolefins. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.